Good evening, everybody. We're going to wait for everyone to join us for this week's Facebook Live, and we will get started in just a few minutes. We'll see you soon and we will get started. We have been doing a series of Meet Our Team series. And some weeks we have, questions in Arabic. Tonight we are welcoming questions in Spanish or English or whatever language you'd like. But today's episode is our Meet Our Team series, and it is with Gloria Solorzano de Lopez. And if you know me or you've worked with me, then you know Gloria, because Gloria has been my day one, bay one. We worked together at my old firm, and Gloria came with me on the journey of Mubarak Law, and it was just me and her. And now we are a team of 10 people. Before we get started with our Meet Our Team series, I do have some announcements. First, follow us on social media. We are on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Next week is our monthly questions in Arabic. So if you want to go ahead and email them ahead of time, here's the email below for my assistant Jessica. So inshallah الأسبوع الجاي بنعمل سؤال بالعربي. But tonight is going to be dedicated to our Meet the Team series. We also have some exciting news for a raffle next week. Next week, we plan on doing something special for Father's Day, whoever you celebrate, for prioritizing you in their life. Just like our firm, your future is our priority. And many of you have father figures, whether even moms, that you celebrate on Father's Day, and we want to help you celebrate them. So stay tuned next week for that announcement. Tonight, we will take questions. So si tiene preguntas en español, estamos aquí por eso. So ask us any questions you'd like. And without further ado, I'm honored to introduce Miss Gloria Lopez. Here we go. Here is Gloria. Welcome, Gloria.
Thank you. Hello to everyone. Thank you, Nayef, for this window.
So where are you, Gloria? You look like you're somewhere very far away.
I think I am in Seattle or something like that.
We have Gloria in the conference room, as we still want to participate in social distancing as much as possible. But as I mentioned earlier, this is our Meet Our Team series, and this week's edition is Gloria Lopez, who I call Day One, Bay One, as we have been working together for 8 years, starting next month. So Gloria, where are you from, Gloria? Where were you born?
I born in Caracas, Venezuela.
Okay, and when did you come to the United States?
So I came in 2006 to get married. I started with my life with my wonderful husband, Felix.
Yeah, make sure you say that. Wonderful husband. Yeah, we love Felix. Her husband is a great guy, and he's helped me with a lot of stuff around the house or the office sometimes, and he's a good friend. So you came here in 2009?
2006.
2006, okay. And then what was your journey after that? Did you go through the immigration process?
Well, first I started to work in immigration. And then I prepare my own paperwork, working like a paralegal or legal assistant.
Okay.
So that I started to work in immigration law or immigration field in 2006. So I have 14 years experience now.
Okay. So you went through the immigration process yourself, and now you work in that field, and you were even working in it before. How does that affect your work or help your work when you are preparing cases for our clients?
Okay, well, I was in that position, and of course I can understand how the client feels, cómo se siente el cliente en cada parte del proceso. el miedo que pueda tener, el temor, me lo aprueban, no me lo aprueban. So everything about the process, I can understand it from the point of view of the client. Of course, that's an advantage to me to understand him or her and to prepare the client better during the process.
Okay. And when would you say, if you had a favorite type of case to work on, what would you say your favorite type of case at our firm is to work on? And for, again, if you're just joining us, this is Gloria Lopez, my office manager, my head paralegal. She's been with me for 8 years, even before we started this Mubarak law. So Gloria, tonight I just wanted to thank you for all of your hard work and your friendship and your support. So thank you for doing this Facebook Live with us. I know you love your privacy and not so much social media. So I do want to acknowledge you taking the time to be with us tonight. But I do have questions for you. So what is your favorite type of immigration case that you work on at our office?
First, I will say that I love the opportunity to give something to someone. So based on that, I have 2 words. The first word is reference to hard situations like domestic violence, removal proceeding cases. So where we have victims, etc. So we have very drama situations. So I don't love that type of cases because I would like that we never have that type of case in the world. But of course, if I have to work on that, I like the opportunity to help someone. And the other side, we have the business visas, the investment visas. It's this different world, of course, for me is it's a new hope, it's a new life, it's a new start. So someone's coming to the United States to open business, to open other opportunities to other people, to create employment. So that's hope to everyone, I like that.
I know that you mentioned that you like to give, something to people. And I think something that we can do in our work is we give a lot of people hope, right? So for the victims of domestic violence, we both agree that we wish we didn't see any more of these cases, but unfortunately it's such a problem, domestic violence. And then we also have on the other side, an investor who's coming here to start a new life, right? And invest money and bring ideas. And I know that Gloria and I always like to, we say like chismear, because we're just curious about the businesses, because a lot of these people have great ideas and we're just excited with them. And we build strong relationships with our clients in order to help them get to their goal. So whether it is an investor visa or it is a victim of domestic violence, I think that, Gloria, you've had your help in hand with hundreds of people and doing that and helping them get here in the U.S. in a lawful status. Before you moved to the U.S., what were you doing in Caracas for work?
Well, I graduate in computer science. The last 2 employments related to my career were in banks. I was working as a system auditor. So, but I realized that I need more contact with people, socialize. So I opened a store with my father to sell clothes for women. And I enjoy a lot that project every day. So I could socialize, I could new people, I could speak to a lot of different women, understand situation, etc. So that gave me a lot of opportunities.
I think it makes sense that you worked in a bank as an auditor. Sometimes Gloria is going through clients' tax returns, like you will find something and be like, what is this? And then sometimes the clients are not even aware what's on their own taxes. So it is really important, I guess you're taking from all of your different work experience and applying it to your job today. Your experience in retail, also not surprising. Everyone who comes to Gloria in our office compliments her on her clothes and her looks. So I think it's interesting and really makes sense that you owned a clothing company or a store at one point in time. Do you feel like working in immigration law as a paralegal gives you the human interaction that you need, that you said computers didn't? Are you fulfilled in that aspect?
Of course, the work in immigration field give me the opportunity to speak to people, to understand people, socialize with people, understand every life is different, every case is different, it's unique. So of course I enjoy that. I enjoy to listen, understand the life or the situation of our clients at some points. And when I am working on a case, I feel that case like my life, to understand what's going on, how to figure out any situation, any document that we need. So definitely, yes, immigration is socialized to me. It's perfect. Yeah.
We know like every aspect of our clients' lives and our pictures and with their cases, their financial situations, and even in our personal injury cases, you know your clients' injuries and you know them in great depth and interactions. So you mentioned to me your favorite areas are like business or helping people with domestic and for work. What is your favorite thing about our office?
Well, our office, we start with a team of 2 people, right? You and I. So that was almost 4 years ago. So now we are 10 people in that team. We have worked hard. We have growing up soon and very professional, and to get 5 stars law firm is very, very important. I think it's the best that we have, and we are trying to work better every day, and I think we have a wonderful team. To God,
yeah, I'm so thankful. We have an amazing team. And I think, I want to thank you for, parting and setting the attitude and the tone for a lot of people who have worked with us. So I agree. Our team are some of our strongest suits. I thought your favorite thing would be me, but I guess Gloria likes to tell the truth. But no, I'm part of the team, and so is she. And over the years, things have really kind of grown, and we've been able to maintain what we consider so important in our way of work. And we do have a lot of meetings and always trying to change and always trying to improve. So thank you for mentioning that, Gloria. If you had any advice, and maybe you can do this in Spanish, if you had any advice to people who are looking for an attorney, what should people do? Like, what do you think are some qualities people should look for, or who are going through this immigration process? Like, what can you say to them?
Okay. Si ustedes van a un proceso de inmigración, van a entrar en un proceso de inmigración, es recomendable que lo hagan con un abogado. Es muy importante. En especial en estos momentos que estamos viviendo con esta administración. Cuando busquen un abogado, investiguen bien, revisen los comentarios de esos abogados, visiten las páginas web de esas firmas. Si tienen dudas, llamen al Florida Bar o al bar donde estén ubicados. Es importante que tomen su tiempo para ubicar un buen abogado y que trabajen con un abogado. Una vez que tengan un abogado para su caso, colaboren, cooperen con su abogado. Cooperar con su abogado es cooperar con su caso. Es importante proporcionarle la información y documentación que el abogado les está solicitando. Díganle toda la información, no oculten nada. Recuerden que ustedes están pagando por ese servicio y el abogado debe estar al tanto de todos los detalles para no encontrar sorpresas durante el proceso. Encontrar sorpresas durante el proceso les puede costar muy caro, les puede costar una deportación, etcétera. Entonces, esa es mi recomendación.
So I think you mentioned people to do their due diligence, look up the attorney, ask their questions, do your research. I think people need to know a lot of times in any legal process, immigration or business or personal injury, you're probably going to be working with that attorney minimum 1 year. And so it needs to be somebody that you can actually, communicate with properly, who understands your situation and is very clear and honest to you up front. I think setting expectations is something that we do really good with our clients. A lot of times we let them know that there's risks involved. We let them know of the warnings, and not trying to scare people, but the only way somebody can make a decision is if they know the full picture and they are prepared for the worst case scenario. So now we've talked so much about work. I want to ask you, what do you do for fun, Gloria? What is your favorite, one of your favorite hobbies outside of the office?
Well, I love to dance. I like dance, any type of music. I listen to music every time I can. I work with music.
Sure,
I
can hear
I cannot work without music.
the music streaming from our office, but
Yes.
okay. And what would you say your ideal or favorite vacation would be?
Well, my ideal vacation would be visit Los Roques. It's a Venezuelan island, and join there with my family, my parents, my siblings,
Oh.
and my husband.
I know Venezuela is definitely one of those places going through tough times. And how is your family doing? Gloria, for those who are joining us again, it's our weekly Facebook Live. This is our Meet the Team series. I'm going to keep saying it. Gloria is my day one, bay one. We've been together for 8 years, and she's a Venezuelan citizen or national and a U.S. citizen. She's gone through the immigration process, and she's our guest on tonight's Meet Our Team series. But how's your family doing back home in Venezuela? And I ask that because Gloria is involved with sending medicine, sending food, sending can drives. We even set up some drop-off locations at our office a couple years ago. But how's everybody doing, Gloria?
Well, my family is okay, is safe, but in general, the situation is too complicated. The picture is the basic monthly salary is $2. The lack of employment opportunities, food shortage. The country is not producing gas. Daily issues with electricity, water, internet services. So it's a chaos. It's very, very hard.
I always, tell Gloria, like mi gente son venezolano. Those are our friends and family out there, and we concerned about everybody's safety and their health. And if you guys ever know of any fundraisers or want us to participate, please reach out. We are also part of the Venezuelan Chamber of Commerce, and we are happy to participate. And even if you're not Venezuelan or you're not Palestinian, you're not Brazilian, and you're from a country that you want more recognition, let us know. I want to eat so much food, try everything, learn about everybody's history. This basically concludes our Facebook Live event. I promise, Gloria, it will be less than 30 minutes. And here we are right at 20 minutes. I'm a man of my word. So thank you so much, Gloria. I appreciate your time. I appreciate how hard you've worked with me and you've grown with me over these years. And I tell everybody, they know she's my right hand, and I appreciate your friendship and your support over these years. And, I love you. I get emotional, but Gloria is a part of Mubarak Law just as much as I am. So some quick announcements. ان شاء الله الاسبوع الجاي راح نعمل فيسبوك لايف بالعربي. سو اذا عندكم اي سؤال او حابين نجاوبكم ابعثوا لنا رساله على jessica@mubaraklaw.com مع السؤال، وان شاء الله الاسبوع الجاي مع بسمه we will answer these questions for you. كمان also if you have questions in Spanish, please, si tiene preguntas en español, escribe un email por Jessica y también podemos hacer respuestas para ustedes. Y that's all we have for tonight. Look forward to our Father's Day raffle next week. Subscribe to us on social media, please. And I'll see you guys next week. Gloria, thank you so much. Everybody have a great night.
Thank you. Good night.